Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Z Zurich Scholarship. This scholarship is being provided by Z Zurich Foundation, and this scholarship is fully funded scholarship that will cover all expenses related to One Young World Summit, including travel expenses, accommodation, meals, transportation and participation. This scholarship is open for those who are aged between 18 to 30 years and have passion for local and global issues. The link for the application form is given below in the description box, and to know the entire application process, keep on watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. So let's get started with the video. First, type theglobalscholarship.org. Now click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our official website, which has three broad categories: scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on scholarship section. You will see multiple scholarships to which you can apply according to your eligibility. For today, let's focus on Z Zurich Scholarship. Click on view button. Now you can see an interface that has the scholarship details like name of the scholarship, provider name. At the right side you can see the start date, end date. Just below it you will see the educational qualification to whom this scholarship is open for. After that, I want you to go through the scholarship description once to know the intent behind the scholarship provider. Once done with that, check out the eligibility criteria which is clearly given. Moving on to next, there is a benefits section. So these are all the benefits of Z Zurich Scholarship. Moving down the page, you will see the button login and apply. Hit the button, it will redirect you to the official page of the scholarship, from where you can gain the further details regarding the scholarship. Now click on apply now button. So you can see the application form for Z Zurich Scholarship is open in front of you. Carefully enter the details. First, enter your personal details. Enter your first name, last name, country residing, enter your email, phone number which is active, enter your current address, enter your city name, select the state where you are living in, enter your postal code, select your country, select your gender, enter your date of birth, select your nationality. If you have dual nationality, select it from the drop down or click on none. Then the next section is of application questions. Enter the answers to the asked questions. Name of the organization where you previously worked in, position at the organization, which of the Z Zurich Foundation's pillars is most relevant to you and your work. Answer it. Short biography. Please provide a short description of yourself, including your current role, achievements and aspirations in 200 words. What issues are you most passionate about and engaged with, and why? Enter the answer for this question in 200 words. How are you making a positive impact in your community or country? Enter the answer in 200 words. If possible, give an estimate of the number of people who have been positively impacted by the actions described above and explain how these people have been impacted. Enter the answer in 200 words. What makes your work innovative or unique? Enter the answer in 200 words. Why do you wish to attend the One Young World Summit 2023 specifically through the Z Zurich Foundation Scholarship? How do you think the experience will help to advance your work? Enter the answer in 200 words. Please provide any links to website, blogs or social media accounts that you believe are relevant to your application. If you have received any awards, please provide the links to those below. Then the next section is of additional information. How did you heard about the scholarship? Enter the answer accordingly. How would you like to be contacted by One Young World? Select accordingly. Then click on register button by undertaking the privacy policy. That will be a successful submission of this Z Zurich Scholarship. This is how you go about the application process for Z Zurich Scholarship. For more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you.